Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer 1xBet bonus to the main account. This is really simple. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 1xBet account, and to do so you have to click on register. Next on full. Here on full you enter all your information and then you scroll down until you see promo code. On promo code you just have to enter the promo code UTV. By using this promo code you get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50 you get $150. First of all you have to do is to check if you have sufficient funds in your bonus account. Yes, you can see I have 500 points in my bonus account. So next what I'm going to do is just to click directly on 1xGame at the top right corner, and then I find out any game that I wish to play. I find out absolutely any game. This will work with any. So you're just going to scroll and to choose. In my case I'm going to choose Apple of Fortune. So next you're just going to start a play on Apple of Fortune, and to do so you just have to enter a stack on which you want to play on Apple of Fortune. And here you are going to enter for this bet 200 points. So next you are going to click on play and to launch a game in Apple of Fortune. So you are going to choose one, and here you are going to take the winning. And here all you have to notice is that by taking this winning, all the winning will go directly to your main account. So this is the best way to transfer your bonus account money directly to your main account money, by just playing 1xGame and earning through them, and the money going to be transferred directly to your main account. And it's as simple as that.